You're watching this week's reality rap. Let's get things started with cutting it in the ATL, followed by Jim and Chrissy. Vow or never. Okay, I really don't want to call this Pat shit crazy, because Pat actually makes sense this week. Pat telling these girls ain't your friend. They only came to your informational section to spectate, not support. You catch what I'm saying, y'all? Spectate. Now you throwing Pat shade? Girl, you better watch it, because you don't want Miss Pat to put you on the list with Maya Slide.
Since Deidre want to flip-flop to the other side with Maya Slide, we're gonna see who gonna get the last laugh.
You just come and play nice.
And you make sure those bitches you put on your little guest list that they don't say anything to me.
Okay, Mushia girl, you are holding 2 pairs of shady shears. You let LaKenya have it. She met with you, trying to tell you what she felt was wrong, but she did let you know she's not gonna let you punk her. She walked out on you after you told her to get out like 30 times. Like, how you gonna tell her to get out of someplace you don't own, girl?
Get out. You can go. No, you can leave. Can you get out?
And then y'all gonna sit there and text and act like just being childish. And then when you bumped into Beauty J, you got into it with her and told her to get the hell out. Like, girl.
Tell me what?
Classy
Bitch,
I understand.
Get the out of here.
You're from
all
the
that
hood.
shit, whatever. Ain't no get out. You get out. You get out.
This week's beauty boss is my girl, Miss Deidre. Not only is she rocking Pretty Hair by Maya, she is writing a lusty slut smut. Yes, I said slut smut novel. And I think she said the P word.
Oh. Keisha Moon. Yes, baby.
I don't want to hear Deidre talking about okay, let's just say it. I don't want to hear it. Okay, now let's get into this week's episode of Jim and Chrissy. Truth and honesty are the most important aspects of vows in a marriage, and Jim Jones is the most blunt motherfucker I've ever met. He straight up told Chrissy, like, girls from the ghetto don't get married, and you need to be glad that you in this situation, like.
What you mean from the ghetto?
Oh, you ain't from the hood now?
I didn't say I wasn't from the hood.
You're sophisticated.
I took all my hood traits with me and I walked with it, baby, and I learned other things. Don't get it twisted.
Sophisticated ratchet, right?
Whatever.
When did your location determine whether you get married or not? Make a promise to God in front of your friends and family that you want to love each other till death do you part. Don't get me started on that. Okay, this week's Mother's Blessing, Mama Jones gave everybody at Chrissy's function a gift. I'm assuming it was Poomkosh. That's the perfume that Mama Jones is pushing or peddling or whatever y'all want to call it. Me and Chrissy got these issues, but here's a gift to show there's no hard feelings between us. And Chrissy took that over the top.
That's not the time and the place.
I apologize.
But you can't keep doing stuff and apologizing.
You know what, Chrissy? I'm not gonna get into it no more. I apologize, and that's that.
That's not that. That's not good enough.
She dismissed Jim and the mama. Like, that's not gonna help this wedding, girl. For better or worse, Chrissy is just going off and is not letting it go. She's mad that Zeke then had the girl in the backyard giving him a booty dance. She's mad Mama Jones was letting it go on, getting a back massage. She's mad because Jimmy was on a boat with his friends. All this yeah is not gonna do nothing but irritate him. And girl, we're trying to get married at the end of this season, so get it together, Chrissy and Jim. Let's keep the social conversation going. As always, I'm your host, Mr. Ray, and you're watching this week's reality rap right here on WeTV.com.